I'm sick.
Today we're gonna play Animal Hospital with Biscuit and Kit Cogly.
Call me Kaiga Kid Call, please.
I called it Kit Cog, man.
No, call me also. Call me Kaiga too.
Wait, I'm gonna start recording.
Yeah.
Come here.
Don't got much time to use. Okay.
Stop recording at time.
Shut up.
Chihuahua.
Okay.
Shut the frick up, we're making a video.
So Biscuit does know how to play. Do you know how to play this game?
I'll be the doctor.
Okay.
I don't.
I'll be the check-in man because I have played this game before. And it was hell. Let Omar go
What color
here.
am I?
I'll be the doctor.
Wait, there will be patients.
What color am I?
You pink.
How about me?
Okay, guys, dude, come here.
What color am I?
This.
I don't know what Oh, my screen, my recording just stopped.
Oh, stamp. Biscuit, you don't know how to play this. Do the tutorial. Kaya ka ba tayo doing?
Let's start on PC.
Okay. And Kayaga will be the doctor. So,
Oh, mau jadi apa?
Don't say my freaking name.
I'm so sorry.
okay.
Hey, please bleep the.
No, I am too lazy to edit the video.
Yeah.
Okay,
So I'm just gonna
So-
be here.
we both are gonna be checking the check it. Close that. Close. Never mind.
Okay,
I can't close, man.
No,
Can it,
no.
dude? Oh my god. We can't even. Okay.
I'm gonna be here. I'm gonna register
Okay.
and also send.
Hey, Biscuit. So there will be another window. There will be another window. Take, talk. There.
TikTok.
Outside.
Hey, Biscuit.
What?
So you see your sanity in the bottom?
Is this?
It's 70%.
I can close the shutters.
But the eyes.
I can close the
How do I
shutters.
gain
The
sanity?
eyes.
I can't close the
My
shutters.
sanity is my power.
Why can't you close the shutters?
Locked.
Next shifted.
What? Oh my, Biscuit.
What?
So,
What?
if you get your sanity to 0%, then you will die.
Okay. I knew that.
No. Okay. So, there will be a shop.
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 But
In-
is this an anomaly or not?
I don't.
Why not use the camera?
Remaining patient.
Ini juga gak bisa.
Okay.
Dude, okay, that's normal. Biscuit, get over here.
Okay. Okay. Who the hell?
That's someone.
Yo, you wanna be sexy tonight?
Hey.
What is this?
I'm sexy, guys.
Wanna be what?
Wanna be sexy tonight?
What is that?
Hey. When there's anomalies, close the shutters.
Okay.
So use the camera.
Yes.
How do you know anomaly?
You also do the check-in. We both do the check-in thing.
Okay. You look like a guitar person.
Oh my god.
Hello, Cat.
There's anomaly.
Okay.
If there's an anomaly, close the shutters. There's an anomaly right there. Oh!
Is there no camera?
I saw stalker. I saw freaking
Me
stalker.
too. I just talked and I lost 10 sanity points.
Okay, let's do this.
My parents just went in.
I lost
Ahead.
everything.
You know what's an anomaly?
Uh,
The photo.
check the cams.
If it's static, then it's.
Where's the camera?
It's not.
Where's the camera?
That's the camera, man. Here, this is the camera.
Oh, okay.
Okay, take it, call. I thought it was the doctor.
I am in the.
I am the doctor.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Anomaly!
There's one
Anomaly!
more
Anomaly! Anomaly!
Yeah.
Oh, that's the banging guy. The-
What?
If it's
Oh!
yes.
Close!
I just wait.
Don't close. Don't close.
Okay. Okay. What the hell is this guy doing?
Wait. Wait. You go do the check-in thing. Oh, no.
Okay. Cheesy.
Take two sips, by the way.
Yes.
Why is the camera? Oh, that's fine.
Hey, dude. Come here. Hey.
What is this guy doing?
There. Okay. Oh my god, there's an anomaly. How many anomalies are there?
I close it. Why don't you close the door?
Uh,
Like this door.
The door doesn't affect anything.
Okay. What's
And-
more surface?
Oh my god! There's so many anomalies!
Oh my
What if
god.
they're just regular eyes? And they're just tired?
Anomaly town.
They can be possessed, but not
Oh, they're anomaly. What? No, this.
Okay. Check the cams.
Okay,
That's
I'm
one.
gonna be.
He's
I'm gonna
normal.
be the cams.
He's normal.
That's not okay.
Gone. I think it's normal. I don't know.
What does that bag
It
say?
is normal.
Oh,
That bag says
You
top
are
secret.
insane.
I'm not.
I'm gonna start recording again.
Okay.
Start recording. 3, 2,
Oh,
1.
Stop yapping.
Okay, I started recording again because it just suddenly stopped. No. Let's hope it doesn't stop again because I have insufficient storage and it may stop at any time.
Okay, then. Oh, clean. Bisa clean. Cuma clean
One.
aja. Clean aja. Bisa.
I am gonna check camera.
Okay.
Minus 1
I
job
think it's
stress.
done. It's done. Just wait till the doctor arrives.
It's not
Okay.
done.
Oh, okay. Just wait. Just wait till it's done.
Hey, baby girl.
Done.
Hey, baby girl.
This kid. Oh my god.
What am I supposed to my life?
You're threatening my entire bloodline.
Oh. My screen recording just stopped again. Okay, I'm gonna start recording again. Wait, no. Okay, guys, it just stopped again.
Hey,
Uh,
doctor!
the
Yo,
doctor.
doctor man!
I don't know how to.
What? Doctor! Doctor, yeah.
Can you check some?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, I think he's normal so far.
He is always normal, okay?
Okay.
Yes, the shop. I forgot about the shop. Wait, the new thing.
Patients treated. No, it keeps stopping us. I'm gonna record again.
No. Oh my god.
I just started recording again. I guess it
Okay,
keeps stopping all the. Wait.
Eyes.
Hikaru Nakamura.
His eyes. Oh no.
Check the,
Hikaru Nakamura.
can you just check the camera? my gosh, instead of cooking,
Okay.
What new service?
Oh, that's Bunny. Bunny man. Give him coffee.
Come.
Give him the
We check
coffee.
come.
Okay.
Okay. He's normal. Maybe.
He's normal. I'm gonna check him.
Give him coffee. Oh, no man.
check the camera before cooking, okay?
Check stations 5.
Eat.
Bro's French. Dappy dooby dooby, shall we dee dee?
I don't find it. Oh my god.
What?
He is normal. I have checked from the cams. He is normal.
Okay.
Shut up, man.
What? I'm not saying anything.
No, I'm talking to this guy.
Okay.
Check the photo.
It's
Not
respect.
static. No static.
Be normal. What if it's static?
What? Family. Room 6, how many?
Mommy.
Work. Check in patients.
Roomba.
He is normal.
Gonna do
He is normal man.
me.
I have checked from
Okay,
the cams.
wait.
I am real man. See,
I wanna do this guy. I wanna do this guy.
gonna check the
Choice.
cams. Did you take that already? No, okay.
Take you photo. Inspect the guy. Okay, he normal.
Yeah.
I mean, I think it's a she.
We don't know the gender. Oh my god. Oh my god. He fainted. He fainted. Kelly.
You carry.
Check the cams. Check the cams. Check the cams.
Okay. 2 cameras down.
Oh no. 2 cameras?
The monster
I think he's
will
normal.
come. The camera monster will come. You do have
Go be quicker.
Fix the cameras. Fix the cameras.
I already checked.
I'm doing the fainting guy.
Okay.
Go to the cameras and fix them. Find the cameras. Okay, you got this done.
I got 8.
Check the ritual.
If there's someone else, I'm gonna. Okay,
Oh
we
no,
check
write
cam-
it down.
2 cameras down.
Got the lobby.
How do you get?
What the? Surgery on the
I
third
have
shift?
to do the surgery. I have to do the surgery.
Like the heart transplant thing.
Yes, it's you.
Oh my god.
I'm dead.
Okay, he's normal.
Nobody hears you.
I did the cameras. I fixed the cameras.
I got room 4. I'm gonna close it.
Oh,
What
Oh,
are you
that's
guys
gone.
doing?
Gone.
What?
Why
Oh wait,
gone?
camera.
Why is gone back? He wants gone too.
Still here.
Okay, you're the last checking patients.
Got eaten by the bed. What?
Yes, there's bad monsters. Okay.
Where's the bed monster? Maple syrup.
You can eat.
No Canadian.
Oh yo. Yeah.
I'm gonna inspect.
Back.
No,
No
keep
static
talking.
man.
Hey, it's normal. It's normal. I'm gonna start recording.
There.
I'm recording again. Oh my god.
Room
There's gonna be a
5. Okay.
in this.
Room 5.
Camera. Let me check camera.
Okay. Let's wait. Okay.
I'm gonna get coffee. Cool guy. Yeah. Okay. Wait, I have 2 coffees. Is someone gonna come? I mean, oh my god. Is someone gonna come
later after the doctor because it's treating remaining patients now.
Okay. 3 remaining patients. I wanna
Not
see.
checking patients. What do you wanna see?
Oh my god. Okay, wait.
Biscuit's
The
gone.
room.
Oh my god.
Me wanna. What?
I
Me look. Me look like.
Okay. Biscuit,
I recorded
Biscuit,
again.
Kyra. I'm gonna go pee. This will be fast.
Okay. I'm gonna be. The doctor is arriving. Is anyone still there?
Chicken.
I get away. The patients may seem unstable. What? What? Make sure to use the photo and cameras. Stay alert. I will unlock the taser. Use it wisely. Ah!
I'm pretty sure there will be an ambulance.
Okay. Oh my god. Okay.
Excellent.
Shop.
Why is Kai always the best one?
Because I'm the
I wanna look.
doctor.
I wanna look. Extra chicken.
What's the chocolate?
I don't know.
Can I?
Yes, because
I
oh my god,
can check.
he's smiling. He's smiling. So he's smiling. Oh my god.
I closed.
Oh yes. Close. He has the realistic eyes and black.
I'm scared.
Okay, open.
Check the camera.
Yes.
I'm gonna check the camera.
Oh my god. Okay. The gray one is anomaly. The dealer one. Oh my god. This guy's don't check in. Don't check in that guy.
Check the camera.
Okay,
Yes. I already checked the camera. Is it
inspect.
static? Is it static?
Okay,
It's not
It's
static.
normal.
Okay.
register. I'm gonna print. Oh, come on. Take and then talk.
Okay. I'm
Now,
gonna
then did we
close because of the freaking monster guy.
anomaly? Okay, open.
Yes. Okay. Oh, I forgot to
Dinosaur.
check cams.
Oh,
Oh no. Wait. Check the video. Oh no.
sample. Take.
Oh my god. Don't do this guy. Don't do this guy.
Bye.
What? What's wrong?
His body is distorted.
In the
Yes. Like
No signal requires fix. Okay. Register.
okay. He's here.
Print. Come on.
I got 6 check-in patients. Oh my god.
Speed it up a bit. Okay, close. Not at the door. Open.
This the second
Oh, wait.
thing, guys.
Ah, the cat.
Don't be Canadian.
Oh. Okay. No.
There's a freaking disaster.
Come on. Wait. Was he so?
Wait. Fly.
Oh my god. No. Get away.
Pick up medkit.
No. Okay. Here. Room 3.
Then I'm gonna close the door. Room 3. Okay. Gonna lose sanity if you step into the yeah.
I have coffee man. Check the camera.
Okay, I haven't lost any sanity.
Here's Norm.
Okay.
Okay. He's normal.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Oh wait.
Is he normal?
I'm pretty sure there will be an ambulance.
Yeah, but I think later.
Okay, he's normal. He's normal.
Oh,
This guy's normal.
is it
Okay.
static? Is it static?
Maybe not. Okay, it's not. It's not. Friends. Register.
The reindeer guys is normal. I checked it. Why?
Oh my god.
Why? Did someone just cough a lighter? Oh my god.
Why is no light? What does it mean when? What does it mean when the? What? What the hell?
Oh my god, I'm losing sanity.
Okay, who the hell is this? Do I start it? It's a dangerous job. Apple.
Okay.
Okay. Who the hell is there slime? I cleaned it. Wait.
Hey, Canadian. This guy's Canadian. Oh my god. Maple syrup.
Who? Where do you at?
Yes. Okay, let's check. This guy good. Okay, is this the last? Okay, that's the last one.
This guy's small.
What?
This guy's small.
Oh yeah, there's. Oh my god.
Well,
Barney. Barney.
I will.
Retail is room for.
Camera. He's normal. He's normal. Then can I get another coffee? Okay.
Yeah, okay, you're the best. Okay, shut up.
Bro's gay. Oh wait. May I ask
Okay, he's gonna give us a suitcase. Yes, suitcase. He is a serial. Yes.
Do we accept?
I think yes. Oh no.
You're the best.
I'm gonna regret it. Oh no. Okay, let's help Kyra.
Kyra.
Wow.
I call her Kyra.
There's so many patients in the thing. There's like
That is two
there's
man.
3 more. This
Now what do I do with him? Oh, okay.
Oh, it's
Never mind.
got
I'm doing in
Oh my
room
God.
2. Alright. Actually, I need maple syrup.
maple syrup.
Yeah,
Yeah.
medkit. Where do I get maple syrup?
You can.
Oh, here.
And there.
Hey, let me do this, man. Patient recovering. Close.
I am charging him. Doctor is gonna come here.
Oh, this is good.
1 remaining patients.
Patient recovering.
Patient recovering.
Okay, done. Patient recovering.
Doctor.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
the anomaly thing. There's gonna be like a huge attack.
Jesus is so great. You have to be really close to the
Be prepared, the ambulance is coming.
Yes, okay. Okay. We're gonna get the taser.
Taser.
Yes. Okay.
What do we get? 7, range
Okay.
7. But I'm gonna do room 7.
Okay. I'm gonna go room 6.
In rooms.
Critical patient.
Cyan, green, cyan. Good. Okay.
Estimated.
I'm room 6. Maple syrup. Okay. Maple syrup.
Complete.
A bandage. Maple syrup and bandage. Gotta hurry up.
Hydration.
Biscuits on room 7.
Yes, yes. IV drops. Oh god.
Oh, no.
Don't die yet.
Okay.
Your family misses you. Your family still misses you.
Oh my God,
Don't die
room
yet.
8.
Don't die.
Go. Oh no, is this the? Oh my God. Okay.
Your mother still misses you. Don't die. We still care about you. What's this? Crash head. Oh.
No. Oh.
Someone died in room 8, but they were an anomaly.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay. If there's like thing like that in the ceiling, don't look up.
Okay. Don't look up.
Oh my God.
Thank you, doctor. Let's go. Bro survived. Yay. Thank you, doctor.
Fixed. I think this done.
Thank you for surviving.
2 remaining patients too.
Thank you for surviving, man. Oh,
And that guy.
room 2. I'm gonna do room 2. DNA sample. Action data. Canadian. Bro's Canadian.
2 remaining patients too.
Maple syrup.
Oh no, I killed.
Hey, Gure, can I be? Never mind.
Oh.
I heard it.
Ah! Ah!
What the?
No, no, I'm dying. I'm dying. Oh, okay. I survived. I survived.
Oh my God. Doctor.
I need freaking sanity. Copy.
Doctor. Why have you driven us into this madness?
Bruce, more ambulances. Oh my freaking god.
Oh my God.
I need chocolate. Oh, there's a bonus for your work. Patients treated 12.
Oh my God. Okay. No chocolate. That.
No.
Oh my God. No access.
I need this. Oh, wait.
Printers.
Reroll.
Hmm.
Oh, I have reroll.
Let's go faster printers.
No. I'm gonna buy.
Wait, I'm gonna check the cameras.
They're infected. Oh wait,
Okay, they're normal. They're normal. There's.
I'm gonna do this, man. Take photos. Is that?
Okay.
Everything that is fine. Everything big is fine. Everything that
I
is
need
fine.
to.
Everything big is fine. She wanna dance on fire.
Oh my God.
Don't stand too close to the close to fire.
Okay, Kyogre,
Give
Kyogre.
me that.
It's Kyogre.
Give me that. Make me sad.
Oh my God,
Some
there's a freaking three-eyed anomaly. Three-eyed anomaly.
Oh my God.
Get it, okay.
Pick up.
Wait, scams.
Yeah.
Oh my God, the anomalies, no, eyes. Realistic eyes.
Anomaly. Okay. Open it.
Yes.
Be done. Wait,
They
count.
normal.
Okay, they're normal.
Okay,
Oh my God.
I'm gonna go do this guy.
I saw an anomaly. Wait, hold on. I came to visit someone. Okay, I'm gonna do this.
Fidget? No, you're lying.
I need freaking sanity.
Okay.
You do this, man. I'm gonna wait for this fast. I must meet her with. Okay. Please be faster. Oh my God.
Got you! Oh my God, there's a anomaly. The three-eyed person.
Okay, do this man first, and then
Ratu.
we.
Ratu is good man.
Okay, do this man first, and then I will close this guy. My advice: don't trust anyone here. What?
Oh
Oh,
my God.
I'm not
Let's go,
sure.
let's go, let's go.
Impatient.
Okay.
Don't look up the cat. No, they closed. Oh wait, room 4. I'm gonna.
Talk.
Oh, never mind.
And go out.
No.
I am so sorry. I wasn't focusing.
Kai, you
It's
are
okay.
evil man.
I am so sorry.
You evil woman.
Okay, biscuit. Let's go.
What?
Let's go do this man's.
Wait, camera. I'm here for my phone.
Are they good? No static. Good.
Okay, me do this. Okay, wait. I need. Oh, never mind. I
Okay.
need this coffee. Press faster.
Okay, it's good.
I will be on room 1. There's slime.
There's
I'm gonna
Bunny,
clean this
man.
Yes.
My God.
I'm gonna do this guy. Room 1. Get in there. What do you need, man?
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, Bunny. The coffee is so is.
Bro,
Oh my
sorry.
God.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. It only hurts a little, right?
Wait. The fucking.
Maple syrup. Why does he need so much maple syrup? For the eye drops.
Oh my God.
What?
Wait, we gotta wait for the coffee. We gotta wait for the coffee and then close the shutter.
Oh my God. Why? You're like in the normal.
The body is distorted in the lobby camera. Bunny, hurry up, stop yapping. If I close the shutter, you're gonna You're gonna threaten my entire bloodline.
Not just your bloodline. The entire country of what?
Okay.
The entire country of
Done.
Indonesia. You're not just they're not just threatening your entire bloodline. They're also threatening the entire country
Okay, close.
of like.
Close.
What? No service. I'm leaving.
Yeah, goodbye, man.
Sweet. I'm Cristiano Ronaldo. Check cams. Check the cams.
That's normal.
Okay, normal man. That's normal man.
Okay. Shock suspicious people. Wait, there's another one. Check this camera. Okay, they're normal too. I think. Okay.
Okay.
I'm here for my appointment. Man, you fast. You're gonna fire me. Hey. I will be in room 3.
Dude, this guy just poops. This guy just poops two slimes.
I'm gonna help this guy in room 3.
Okay.
Can you hurry up? You're gonna fire me. You're gonna get me fired. Dude. Run, bullet me.
Don't look up. Don't look up. Don't look up. Biscuit, don't look up.
I know. Action needed. Right at this. No, I almost like point. And block ointment medkit. Run, bullet,
This is
run,
sick.
bullet.
Oh my god.
Run. Don't look up.
Doctor.
Doctor. Oh my god. Can we recover faster at least?
I'm sorry, guys.
Your sanity is important. Don't die on me. Yeah, I'm on 37%.
Hey guys, so I think it's the time to say goodbye, but we will not leave the game.
Okay.
It's been like 40 minutes. Yeah, bye bye guys.
40 minutes?
Yes. Bye bye guys. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Fuck.
Bye.